Hi, and welcome to the show. I'm Dean Beyett, Principal Installation Technician for the past 9 years at 5 Star Car Stereo. This year, I'm celebrating 30 years in this 12-volt industry. I'm also the owner of Smash Force Productions, where our focus is making entertaining and educational videos about the 12-volt industry. My main focus is on factory stereo, integration, and upgrade, using all the latest products and techniques to bring my clients' audio dreams to life. Every installation I do is always done to the best of my abilities. There are no shortcuts. Take your time and do it right. They trusted me to do their car right the first time, therefore I don't want to waste any time and have to do it a second time. Fortunately, I'm not alone in my thinking. In my free time, I often find myself scrolling through thousands of amazing installers and their work on Instagram. I'm looking for inspiration or just marveling at the craftsmanship. With this drive to continuously work hard and give it your all, you have to have people around you with like minds, or at least willing to put up with you. I know I'm not the easiest person to work with. I have very high performance standards, and I've been told not everyone thinks like me. With that, I'm sure some people might think I'm unreasonable at times, and a bit of a hard ass. It's just who I am. Sorry, not sorry. The challenge of being in 12 volt is always going to be time and where your mind is. Time with your family, time with yourself doing something to keep you sane. I'm always working. Whether I'm thinking about a solution or an upcoming install or a video I want to shoot, the mind is always working on that. And sometimes it's hard to just disconnect, but I'm trying. But it's a struggle for me, but I'm getting better, day by day-ish. Any client I work with, I want them to know I put my all into their stereo. That I had just as much fun working on it as they're gonna have sitting back, listening, and enjoying the sound coming from it. A customer said this to me once that has kind of stuck with me. The last mile is always the loneliest. Well, I believe in walking a lot of lonely miles. Should I be one of the top installers? Working hard and always trying to improve your skills and knowledge. Always trying to put a smile on your client's face. Sharing what I've learned with others. If these qualify me, then please put my name on the list. Taking the lead is very important. Making sure that from the moment I start talking to somebody on the phone to when I hand them back their keys at the end of the install, that the whole experience was done up to a standard that I'm happy with. I try to promote that through everyone that works here so that they understand the values and are not afraid to take an extra 5 minutes to do something that just might be cool, whether it be something as simple as just adding a logo, starting over from scratch, just to make sure that even though it's one little piece, it's a part of a bigger picture that all those little pieces add up to make. None of this, though, would be possible without the tools of the trade. I'm a professional, therefore I have to have the tools I need to do the job, and of course the knowledge to know how to use them. This is how I make a living. I have to invest in myself because nobody else will. As a professional, you do need to own your own tools. If there's a tool you use every day and you don't own it, you better get yourself one. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy viewing some of my work.